So, we are almost at the end about the Indymill build. Just USB cable, probe, meets power. Stop. I love those. So, I have done a lot of wiring. This is just light. Oh, that just fell down. Good. One moment. So, I made the electronic case today. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm having my husband check it through. He is better with electronics than I am, but a lot of fancy wiring, I think. And spindle control and emergency stop and so on. Then the Indymill, all the hardware of it. There we go. Pretty much as it is. Can't remember what I showed you, but I did a lot of wiring. It's not pretty. That comes later. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. Come on. Focus. It's drying. Can I do it? Nope, cannot do it. Well, that's how it is. So, there's a couple of things. Just leave this one in here. There we go. The little error on the Indy shield here with the set pro only set end stop. Then I think this is correct with the X, Y, and Z set. I'm unsure about that because I can't really see if it's labeled. End stops here. I got that one. Where was the power? That's the power over there. It's just white wires because that's what I had. Here is the wiring in, and I just need to wind this fan here, but I have to just check if it even works before. Otherwise, it's easy to replace. So, well, a lot has happened. I also got a new spindle. They call it a 800 watts thing here, but I don't believe it is. Some kind of, whatever. But anyway, it works. Came without this part, so I have to put that one on, and hopefully it's straight. I have to hammer it on. I'm not thrilled about that, but that's how it is. So yeah, that's an update. There are a lot of cable chains, and they are really wobbly. As you can see, they're just, I don't know. As time goes by, I'm gonna do a lot more tidying up and neat cleaning. But really now, it's been like, I started in, I think, November. And because of money, I haven't been buying all the parts at once. So, now it's finally here. I can't wait to get the electronics testers and see if it works as I hope. And I have used some schematics here, and a lot of like what wiring, where, and so on. And seen this from a screenshot at the electronics radio. That's all I have to go on if it's those three. Not like I have written them here, but as I have here. But we'll see. Worst case, it'll just be the wrong axis, and I can easily just flip them over here. So then I have been going on this from the manual. Really, once again, the manual is very good. This is the power in. It's Danish shorthand, so the J is for jord, which is ground, and then F for face, and O is for zero, which is also kind of face, but zero, as I understand it. This is my emergency stop, and I have been told is just take the face and put to one side of it and let the ground just go around it, like here, so it goes just in and out, only one wire, and then over to you. So yeah, that's really the update for me. Just leave this up here. Now, of course, this straw goes in here, and the wiring should be long enough, or I will have to extend it. I think they all are. I hope they all are. I used the shielded wire, all the gray ones, shielded wires, for all the stepper, because I've been told that was a good thing to do. So and then I have to make some kind of door, and it'll be with these nice hinges. And I have thinking about just putting up here, and then damn it, come on, and then just flipping it up like this, and then mount on the ceiling so I can watch it, and then have some Lexan or plexiglass, we call it in Danish, under, so I can have like a view in. You see there's the hose here. I have to print some kind of dusher here. Haven't really did that yet. And yeah, so yeah, hopefully that's good. Can't wait. I'll give an update when it's running, hopefully. And if there's magical smoke, I'll order some new parts and try again. So let's see.